Now exercise 4.5. Second question. A rhombus. You have to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. So the length of the diagonals are given. Only the diagonals. So how can you construct the rhombus? So using some special properties, how we can construct the quadrilaterals. So here the rhombus, and how we can construct the rhombus when the diagonals are given, only the diagonals, how we can construct. Now what is the property regarding the diagonals of a rhombus? The diagonals of a rhombus, what we can say? The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So what is the meaning of that? The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors. So you have to take that property. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. The meaning is that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So first of all we have to draw the rough figure. So we can name the rhombus. Name is not given. We can take it as A, B, C, D. Then AC. AC is one of the diagonals. We can take AC as 5.2 centimeter. Then BD. We can take it as BD 6.4 centimeter. BD is 6.4 centimeter. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So we can say that the angle formed at the point of intersection of the diagonals will be 90 degree, and we can say that they are perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors. So how we can do the construction? So first of all you have to take any one of the measures. That means AC. We can take AC. AC is a 5.2 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw a line segment of length 5.2 centimeter. One of the diagonals length you have to take it. So AC we can take, that is 5.2. AC 5.2 centimeter. First step. Then second step, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So how we can draw the perpendicular bisector? So for this line segment AC, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So take more than half of this measure. Take more than half. Draw the arcs with A as center. You have to draw the arcs. Don't change the measure. With the C as center also, you have to draw on either side of the line segment AC. You have to draw arcs. So the first step, you have to draw the line segment AC 5.2 centimeter. Second step, draw the perpendicular bisector. How we can draw the perpendicular bisector? Take more than half of the length of AC. Then draw arcs on either side of the line segment AC with A as center and as well as with the C as center. Then you have to join So let the perpendicular bisector meets AC at the point O. Then next step, you have to cut off. The next measure is a 6.4 centimeter. That is a 6.4 divided by 2. That is 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter on either side of this perpendicular bisector. So from O, you have to measure 3.2 centimeter in the upward direction as well as 3.2 centimeter in the downward direction also. So you have to cut off 3.2 centimeter on either side of this perpendicular bisector. O is the meeting point of the bisector with the line segment AC. That means the diagonal AC. Then from O, you have to measure 3.2 centimeter. Then take 3.2 centimeter. You have to take 3.2 centimeter on your compass. Then, so cut the perpendicular bisector. Similarly, so you have to. Now you can take these points as here B, and this one you can take it as D. Then join A and B. Then A and D. C and D. Then B and C. Then A, B, C, D is the required rhombus. A, B, C, D is the required rhombus. So how we can do the construction? Once again I will say how we can do the construction. First of all, you have to draw any one of the lengths. You can take it either 5.2 centimeter or 6.4 centimeter. So you have to draw a line segment of that particular measure. So here we selected AC. So AC 5.2 centimeter. Then after that you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So take more than half of this measure. AC, take more than half. Then draw arcs on either side of AC. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Let O be the meeting point of intersection of the bisector with the line segment AC. Then you have to look at the other measurement, 6.4. Take half of that, 6.4 divided by 2. So that is 3.2. So you have to take 3.2 on your compasses. So from O, you have to take 3.2. Suppose this is 3.2, then so here 3.2. So in the downward direction also you will get 3.2. Then mark the point as, here you can take it as B, and this one you can take it as D. Then join A and B. A and D, then B and C, and C and D. Then we will get the rhombus ABCD. Now how we can write the steps of construction? Draw a rough figure and mark the given measures. Then second step, draw AC 5.2 centimeter. Draw a line segment AC of length 5.2 centimeter. Then draw its third step, draw its perpendicular bisector. Let O be the meeting point of the bisector with the AC. Then next step, cut off 6.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 3.2 centimeter length on either side of the perpendicular bisector. Then mark the points as B and D. Join A and B, then C and B, A and D, then C and D. Then ABCD is the required rhombus. Then homework, exercise 4.2. First section, third question. This is the exercise 4.2. First one, third question. That is the construction of the rhombus when the length of the diagonals are given. So do it as homework. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.